An electron in a stationary state of a one-dimensional box of length 0.3 nanometers emits a photon of frequency 5 times 10 to the 15 per second. Find the initial and final quantum numbers for this transition. So let's say the initial and final states are A and B. So the energy for this transition would be, do this step by step. It's not working. Okay. It's going to be b squared h squared over 8m l squared minus a squared h squared over 8m l squared. That's going to give me b squared minus a squared. And this is equal to h nu, right? So I can cancel out the h on either side, one of the h's, and that will give me b squared minus a squared would be the frequency, which is 8. It's an electron, so the mass of the electron is 9 times 10 to the negative 13 kilogram. And 0.3 times 0.3 is 0.09 nanometers squared divided by, we have an h here, so 2 seconds. Now, so I have per second here, so I'm just going to bring it to the denominator and call it second squared. So kg meter squared per second squared is a joule. So I can cancel out all the units. That will give me b squared minus a squared to be equal to, let's compute what it is, 5.05 times 8 times 9 times 0.09 divided by 6.626. So that's 4.9387 times 10 to the power. I have a feeling they're all gonna cancel out. Yes, they indeed do. So this is equal to 1. So b squared minus a squared is approximately equal to 5. Now we know that the states A and B are both positive natural numbers. And they're going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Right now, out of these numbers, the squares, the difference in squares of which numbers is going to give a value of 5. So you can go by trial and error. So I'm just going to write the squares. That will be 1 squared is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and so on. So if you see, the difference here is definitely not 5, and the difference between this is 5, right? 9 minus 4 is 5. So we can say that the initial and final states are 2 and 3. Or it emits a photon, so the initial and final states are 3 and 2. This would be the initial state. This would be the final state, because you're emitting a photon and not absorbing.